Ever seen a hive at night and thought the bees were sleeping? Here's something you'd never guess. Sydney bees actually use silent vibrations to coordinate hive cleaning after dark. Right now, as the city quiets down, bees inside our Bee-Croft honey hives are sending subtle pulses through the comb. These vibrations act like a secret code, signaling worker bees to remove debris, dead bees, and even sweep out wax crumbs. It's a hive-wide cleaning crew, working in shifts when predators are less active. Why vibrations? Unlike daytime, bees can't rely on scent or sight in the dark. Vibrations travel instantly through the wax, alerting only those nearby. No need to wake the whole colony. This matters. Cleanliness protects the hive from disease and pests, ensuring strong brood and pure honey. Here in Sydney, autumn nights are cooling, so bees ramp up these cleaning shifts to prepare for winter's low activity. But if you crack open a hive now, you might see clusters vibrating and think something's wrong. It's actually a sign of a healthy, well-organized colony. That's the hidden nighttime secret we're seeing right now at Bee-Croft Honey in Sydney.